Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know how to start saying this, but I'm still going to say it. um um okay. Okay, now I'm going to say it like seriously. Now I know I came and told you guys that I'm going to change the content in my channel, and I did. Of course, I changed the content, and I told you guys, oh, blah blah blah. I don't want to do vlogs anymore. I don't want to do makeup tutorials anymore. I don't want to do all those stuffs anymore. And niseme watu niache. I don't know, but you know, it's good to always say what is in your heart, right? So it feels so awkward to say this after saying another thing, then coming here to say another thing, but still I'm going to say it. So we've been posting videos every Wednesday, these motivational videos. I know maybe I know people have been watching the videos, maybe some of you haven't, but to me, I'm contented that I'm making the content, because at least I know someone and someone and someone is listening to the content. So maybe that someone maybe you can have something that you can help. We are doing this to just help out. We're not doing this to like benefit anything from it. Actually, we use our fare to even go to those places, and even use our energy to like look for these people. But at the end of the day, our main focus ni our to asaidike. That is our main focus, because I've come to understand most of us complain a lot about this and that, but there are other people out there who have serious problems, and unlike yourself. So we're just trying to make people aware and appreciate the little things that they have, and not complain all the time, because there are people who, some people say, we don't eat meat every day, but there's a person somewhere that is wishing, I wish I had just mboga to eat ugali. You see, they're eating the ugali with the chumvi, or even sometimes just taking water and sleeping. So guys, these videos are just to make you appreciate, and appreciate what you have right now. Don't take it for granted. And also, if you have something that you can extend to these people, you can still do that. Okay, so I want to also announce this now. I feel like posting once a week, it's like something that is okay. I'm not reaching the goal that I had if I'm going to post every day. You know, we post actually every Wednesday at 2. At 2 we always have a video, and that is not about to change. It is not changing going forward, unless you guys tell me otherwise, but it is not changing according to me and my team and my other partner. So I want to tell you guys that I'm going to start introducing vlogs again to my channel, because it feels like waiting, like if it's this Wednesday then waiting for the other Wednesday, it's a very long time to do it. So maybe I can post like vlogs in the middle of the week. I'm still not set dates on it. We can actually set it here. I don't know why I'm complicating this. So if we post those videos on Wednesday at 2 p.m. so I'm going to be posting vlogs every Monday at let me say, not at 5 p.m. so I'll be posting vlogs Monday at 5 p.m. and also on Friday at 5 p.m. Those are the days that I'm going to be posting vlogs. And the normal motivational videos that come on Wednesday, they're still going to come. They're not going to stop. So I might have said, I don't want to do this content, but I guess I've changed my mind. I want to still do my vlogs, because I am still in love with this thing. You know, it's like a force. I'm sure those people that that are on YouTube, my fellow YouTubers, you can attest to this. YouTube is like a force. My God, it forces you to go and go and go. You don't stop. My YouTubers there, I'm sure you're listening. This is true. I swear to God, this is true. You make a video, and then you feel like making another one and another one and another one. That is what basically happens. For me, when I was starting YouTube, I started YouTube in 20, I can't even remember, but it was like 2 years ago that I started this channel. But you know, it's still a journey till now, to get to where I'm going. So guys, I'm just here to like give you this announcement and tell you guys that the videos are just going to be going on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Those videos are still going to be there, but on Mondays and Fridays I'm still going to be posting vlogs. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. No, before I end this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like and comment down below, guys. And yeah, this is our year. Basically, I was supposed to finish this vlog, but it's like I'm not finishing. Basically, I've not been consistent. I've been just there, but you know what, 2022 is our year, and this year we are going to make big moves. And I know when you start something, of course it has a purpose. You don't just wake up today and start saying, I want to be a YouTuber. No. For those of you who have been on YouTube, you are my witnesses that this thing is not easy to do. It is like a commitment. You need to do this and that. But guys, I'm here to tell you, like, this is a force, and something is up with YouTube, because YouTube is like a global force that all of us should reckon with, because this fire is not about to stop. In fact, this fire is about to start. Tutaiongeza mafuta, tutaiongeza kuni, and we will even relight if we need to. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.